Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great brand new Prowler value from Parkway RV Center. Look at this, guys. 2020 Heartland Prowler 250 DH. 29 feet long, bunks, family model for $15,900. Brand new, full factory warranty and everything. New for used price. Guys, this little camper weighs 4,800 pounds. I ordered it with several upgrades, including a heated enclosed underbelly, including a power awning with LED light strips, power tongue jack. Ordered it with the stabilizer jacks, a spare tire, and much more. I mean, it's got the all LED lights underneath it. At nighttime, looks really good. Plus, you got the LED light strip up top in the awning and on the speakers. And I wish I had them on right now, but unfortunately, where I'm at, there's no power. Working on that, but man, for y'all, somebody wanting an affordable camper and you still want to buy a new, this one's hard to beat, guys. 29 feet, and that's including the tongue, the spare tire at its absolute longest points. I know most dealers advertise these as 25, 26 feet long because they only measure the box size. I count the whole thing because I believe that, you know, when you want length, you want the actual length. A couple of features about it. You know, this is the only brand we sell new. And Prowler, of course, been a brand that's been around for over 51 years. I mean, this is a brand that has customer feedback for over half a century. Got some really neat innovations. First of all, one of the few campers in this price point that doesn't have a rubber roof. It has a TPO roof. Difference is, rubber roofs, cheaper to put on them. Bad thing is, manufacturers recommend you take it to the dealer twice a year for a service, inspection, and all that stuff. That's $300 to $500 per occurrence. So if you average it $400, you get it done twice a year, keep your camper for 5 years, you're talking $4,000 in roof maintenance cost. Versus this right here, which has very minimal maintenance that you can do yourself every year or two and not have to take it to a dealer. And you're going to save $4,000 in cost of ownership in 5 years just on the roof alone. You got a 1-year comprehensive warranty from Heartland, which is owned by Thor, largest manufacturer of RVs in the world. You also have a 3-year structural warranty. Again, unheard of in this price range camper. You've got a 12-year warranty on the TPO roof. And a 25-year warranty, limited warranty on the floor. The floor system in here is the same they put on modern pontoon boats, and you can see how long those last exposed to the elements. Now imagine it enclosed in a trailer where it's hardly any sun gets to it, and no weather, no rain or anything like that. Imagine how long it would last then. I mean, this floor is here to stay. Very sturdy camper, great decor on the inside, and just got some really unique features that you do not find in this under $20,000 price point. Let's look inside. And I apologize, it may be a little dark in here. You've got a residential size Queen Island bed, overhead storage. I like the ceiling panels in here. It's a retro but modern look. Stainless steel appliances. Now, how often do you see that in a brand new $15,900 camper for $15,900? You've got leather furniture. Sofa makes a bed. I can't show you right now because we're not hooked into power, but you've got built-in USB chargers in the cup holders and built-in blue LED lights. So, and of course you raise it up if you want to sit another person there. Double stainless steel sink. You got a decorative backsplash behind it. Suburban stovetop. I ordered it with an oven because every camper needs an oven, guys. High point stainless steel microwave. Dometic stainless steel 2-way RV refrigerator freezer. Table booth, folds down, makes a bed. And look here, guys, this is what's cool. This is one of their best selling models right here because of the size and how many it sleeps. You've got 2 double bunks, or basically 2 full-size beds here in the back corner. So you can sleep 4 back here, 4 in the middle, 2 in the front. So for this size camper, you can sleep a lot of people. Look here in the back corner, you got a bathroom, toilet, stand-up shower. I like the fact they don't put skylights in them no more. Those things are problem childs after they get a few years old. You got no worries here. Got a vent in here. Cabinets. 13,500 BTU air, which, guys, let me tell you something. I did one yesterday and it was 94, 95 degrees outside. I left that same air that's in this one in a 34-foot Prowler with slides, and it was 25 degrees cooler. And now imagine what that same air is going to do in this space with 29 foot with no slide. So it's going to do a good job. Stereo, Bluetooth stereo with a with auxiliary hookups. Of course, we can add a TV in here very affordably if you want us to. Here's the thing, guys. I can order them with TVs from Heartland, but they charge 3 times what I can put a TV in for you. And I know not everybody wants TVs. A lot of people, like myself, I don't care if it's got TV or not. I don't, I don't spend $15,900 on something just to watch TV in. I mean, but if you want us to add a small TV to it, we can do it very affordably. Ask your salesperson for a price. I'd have to look it up and see. Probably a 24-inch TV is probably all you'd want in here. You'd have to mount it on this wall right here. Hookups are right there. But we can do it for about a third of what Heartland would charge for us to order them with them already in. So, trying to save you some money, folks. But it's got some really nice features. That power awning you're really going to love. I think that's pretty much a necessity, but it's still an option. You know what's really neat about it? Say you're dead asleep. It's 1 or 2 in the morning. Storm comes up. You got your awning out. Storm comes up suddenly. You're in bed. You're in your pajamas or whatever you sleep in, and with traditional awnings, spring-loaded awnings, you have to get up, get dressed, go outside, get soaked, bring your awning up before it fills up with water and damages it. But with this one, you just step out of the bed, walk over here to this switch on the wall, and push it. Closes it, get back under the covers, go to sleep. So definitely some great advantage to that power awning. But this is a nice camper, guys. It's small enough. It's lightweight enough to tow. Not too big, not too small is the best way to describe this camper. To me, anyway. Especially for a family camper. It's comfortable. Everything you need, nothing you don't. LED lights on the inside, so you're not going to burn up voltage. You're not going to throw out heat. Not going to kill your battery if you're dry camping very quick. So definitely got some advantages. And talk about the price, guys. Look at this. Here's the window sticker. MSRP, just like base model, standard equipment only, is $19,468. Alright, I ordered it with the optional spare tire and carrier kit, 4 stabilizers, power tongue jack, exterior shower, power awning with LED lights. I did order the black tank flush. That's very, very handy thing to have. Heated enclosed underbelly. Ordered it with the night shades in the living room and bedroom. I also ordered it with a double rear bunk configuration and an oven. $2,706 worth of options brings the MSRP up to $22,174. Well, you can see what I got it for, guys. $15,900. I mean, I'm not trying to get rich off these campers, and there's a long story. And I don't even carry the new campers to make money. I carry one brand of new campers only because the banks, the big nationwide lenders who finance used RVs, which is primarily what we sell is used RVs, they only deal with dealers that have at least one nationally recognized brand of new campers. Why? I don't know. They do not want to do business with independent dealers unless they have one brand of new campers. So this is the brand that we picked out. We love it. They've been great to us. Quality construction, everything about them has been just awesome. And we don't have to make money on these. In fact, we're barely covering costs by the time we go pick them up from Elkhart, Indiana, and bring them back down here and pay my guys to do a PDI on it, which is a pre-delivery inspection, which we have to do on every one we sell, which we don't charge you for that, by the way. I'm maybe making a few $100. So I'm not getting rich off these by no means. That's why our prices are so low. The only reason I carry them Our customers like them, and they help us have great finance options for my used customers, which is 98-99% of our business. But here's the thing, guys. I mean, you look at used prices, you look at this new one, this is not much more, about the same as a used camper, and it's a brand new with a full factory warranty, so how can you go wrong? $15,900 haggle free. Doesn't matter if you finance it, doesn't matter if you pay cash, doesn't matter if you trade. It's all the same to us, guys. We're not like other new dealers that force you or imply that you have to go through their finance department to buy it for their advertised price. That's a scam going wrong right now with new campers. What they do is they'll advertise a price and you call on it. Oh yeah, we'll sell it to you for that price if you go through our finance department, where they mark the interest rates up over what you got approved for at the bank. Should be illegal, but it's not. Costing you potentially thousands of dollars in higher RV payments over the life of an RV loan. Then they tell you, they imply that you have to buy these mandatory upgrade packages to get it for that price. Like the gap insurance, fabric protection, exterior protection, tire and wheel packages, protection packages, extended warranties. Before you know it, that advertised price, when you leave with that camper that you bought for that advertised price, you owe 10 grand more than you paid for it. Just because of all the stuff they implied. They can't force you to buy that, but they imply it, guys, and they're good at what they do. That's those good old Chicago style high pressure sales tactics that they like to use. And I get it here all. I had a guy here this morning, again, clueless. He was a first time camper shopper, went rip off world. Had a camper he bought new, paid on for 3 years, and he still owes 6 grand more than what they advertised his camper brand new for. And his was 3 years old and had a little bit of use to it. And nothing you can do in that situation. I mean, we try to accommodate and help everybody we can, but we can't, you know. Banks are not easy going on campers. They want you to have equity in your trade or cash down. Nobody does 100% loan anymore. And you can thank the recession and people getting campers foreclosed like crazy for that problem right there. Banks lost a lot of money. Many of them went under. Many of them don't even finance RVs no more because of that. So banks definitely want you to have money down or trade equity or enough money down to have some equity in your trade if you have negative equity. So it's a complicated process, guys, but you know, there's nothing we can do when that happens. You know, we can, you know, we try to do our best. Yeah, I know every casualty is different. I have gotten people before financed that had negative equity if they had some money down to cover it. If you got any questions about financing, give us a call, tell us your individual situation. We'll work with the banks to try to get you approved on a loan and get you in a nice affordable payment at the lowest interest rate we can. We do not mark rates up. So whatever the bank approves you for, that's what you pay. I offer financing as a courtesy to our customers, unlike other dealers who use it as a way to make money. In fact, many dealers now brag they make more money on finance than they do actually on gross profit on the unit. That's wrong, guys. It's wrong. If you go to another dealer and buy, don't fall for those games. Anything they offer you, you can get yourself for quite a bit less on the internet, buying it direct. Gap insurance, get that through your auto insurance company. If they offer insurance, camper insurance, it's going to be, you bet, that they're marking it up over what the insurance company quotes you on a premium. Nothing they do is out of the goodness of their heart. It's all to make money. We've been in this for 51 years, guys. We believe in 3 words: easy, simple, done. One price plus tax. That's it. There's no surprise fees. There's no dock fees. There's no prep fees. There's no inspection fees, setup fees, destination fees. None of that nonsense, folks. $15,900 applicable sales tax. That's it. You get this camper. You get the 1 year comprehensive warranty, 3-year structural warranty, 25-year floor warranty, 12-year roof warranty. $15,900. It'll be checked out by my RV techs. We do a PDI, and we go beyond what Heartland recommends we do as far as double checking everything, make sure it works perfectly. We clean it up for you, give you a starter kit, give you a drive out tag, give you instructional DVDs and more. $15,900, haggle free, plus tax out the door. Easy, simple, done. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. If we don't have it in stock, we can special order it, and we'll special order it for the same price as long as Heartland has not had a price increase, which they do every few months. But for right now, even if this one's already sold, we can order one just like it, equipped just like it, $15,900, as long as they haven't had a price increase. And normally they increase $500 increments. Anyway, guys, if you have any questions, call us, email us, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting another one right after this. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.